So hello students, so we'll do today the part 2 of the identities which we started last time, the most important identities which we are talking about. So we had done this few questions last time and we had completed part 1, and part 1 there were more of easy problems which we discussed, right? So today we'll be discussing the difficult ones, right? So like the one which is there at the backdrop is the most important because this question has been asked I don't know how many times. Hardly I have seen papers without this question, right? Now why this is little tricky, because again you have to see RHS. Now if I observe RHS, it is in sine and cos, but when we see LHS it is in tan and sec, and that is what the trap starts. Students go and convert it to sine and cos, और जैसे वो sine and cos में convert करते हैं, what happens? They take lengthier method, right? So if you see RHS very carefully, it is 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A, which means in a way it is sec A plus tan A. So examiner actually is trying to mislead us. So actually your answer is this. This is what the answer is there. So how do you go about? So I had told you about the identities, that one plays an important role. So if you note here, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A, right? So what is 1 going to be? Secant square A minus tan square A, right? So in a way, 1 can also be written as sec A plus tan A into sec A minus tan A. This is the most important part which will be used out here, right? So here I have to see where to substitute. So I have to take actually this factor out, तभी ये सीधा tan A plus sec A आएगा. तो इस one को खाली change करना है, don't touch anything, rest will adjust on their own. So what you have to do is take the LHS and write tan A plus sec A, and now instead of this minus 1 you have to show this as a part of the working, or then once you do this put this value. So instead of this 1 we are putting sec A plus tan A into sec A minus tan A divided by tan A minus sec A plus 1. So this is what is going to come once we do this, right? So I hope you are clear about it. So this is the main turning point step. This step is the main turning point of this question. Now you can see this and this. The factor is common. So take tan A plus sec A common. So this goes out. What will remain here? Obviously 1 will remain here. What will remain here? Sec A minus tan A. And then what is going to be here? Tan A minus sec A plus 1. So this is what is going to be here. So now you note carefully what we did. We converted only this one. Now why I had converted? I saw the RHS is sec A plus tan A. So that forced me to convert. Then I used this identity to find 1, which we will use in many questions. And this is same applicable if it is cot and cosec. So parallelly two type of question, tan and sec hai. With cot and cosec also you will do the same method. Only thing is 1 plus cot square A ho jayega. So now tan A plus sec A, 1 minus sec A plus tan A upon tan A minus sec A plus 1. So tan A minus sec A plus 1, and the same thing is here. I told you it will adjust automatically. So this entire thing gets cancelled. What is tan A plus sec A? Sin A by cos A plus 1 by cos A, and that is what the answer will come which they wanted. That was just, see, I have got in the same form. This is just my observation as a rough work to see what exactly you want. So this is VIP question, okay, very important. So I haven't seen most schools even asking and not putting this question there. So it has been asked in board n number of times. बोर्ड एग्जाम में ये सवाल इतनी बार पूछा गया है कि आप पूछो मत. तो ये वन का जो कन्वर्जन है और जो हम पुट कर रहे हैं वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है. बाकी तो इसमें आपको कोई दिक्कत आएगी नहीं. यू कैन इजीली डू. अगेन प्लीज डोंट कॉपी. आप इसको समझने के बाद विदाउट लुकिंग करने की कोशिश करें सो दैट यू गेट द मेथड. एंड जो लोग कर ले फिर यहां पे कॉट लगाना, यहां पे कोसेक लगाना, -1 कॉट कोसेक, यहां कॉस कर देना, यहां साइन. एक और नया क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा 1 प्लस कॉस ए बाई साइन ए. ठीक है. सो दैट इज द प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज द प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन फॉर यू? कॉट ए प्लस कोसेक ए -1, ठीक है ना, सॉरी, एंड अपॉन कॉट ए माइनस कोसेक ए प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1 plus cos A by sin A. So this question you should try after doing this. This is based on that, right? So now let's see this question. एक और आ गया. See, very similar. 1 by sin is what? Cosec and cot. So this is a very important question of NCERT. VVIPs are coming today. This is again a very important question. Now you see at the face of it, now the student again struggles. लेफ्ट कॉस में है, राइट कोसेक और कॉट में है. तो अगेन स्टूडेंट क्या करे? दो यू कैन रैशनलाइज एंड डू इट, बट मेक इट ए रूल. इफ यू सी दिस tan A प्लस sec A और cosec A प्लस cot A, दिस क्वेश्चन इज अगेन बेस्ड ऑन दैट ओनली. What they have done, they have actually confused you. अगर मैं इस क्वेश्चन में इसको साइन बाई कॉस करता तो दिस वुड हैव बीन इन साइन फॉर्म. साइन बाई कॉस, 1 बाई कॉस, तो ये साइन ए प्लस कॉस ए -1 होता. ठीक है ना. सो लाइक इफ आई कन्वर्ट दिस क्वेश्चन, जस्ट सी, टू साइन एंड कॉस, सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट इज दिस. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व करना एंड यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग द प्रॉब्लम व्हाट दे हैव डन. राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट दे हैव डन. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, you don't have to solve by this method. मैं खाली बता रहा हूं. If you were converting to sin and cos, what would have been the thing? ये sin a आ जाएगा नीचे, and then let's cut this. मैं इधर कर लेता हूं उसमें cos a plus 1 minus sin a, and then what you will get, children, upon sin a, and then what you will get, cos a minus 1 plus sin a upon sin A. ये आएगा. So this is going to get cancelled. So in a way what you will get, cos A minus sin A plus 1, cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to, ये क्या है, 1 by sin A है ना, plus cos A by sin A, तो is equal to cosec A plus cot A. That is what it is. So what they have done, they have converted this question here and made you more confused. So हमें क्या करना, वापस जाना है. तो वापस जाने के लिए नीचे साइन लाना पड़ेगा. So we'll have to see. That is what they have done. Divide by sin A. So divide numerator and denominator by sin A. Why sin A? Then only cosec will come. अगर cosec आ रहा है तो sin से डिवाइड करिए, second tan है तो डिवाइड by cos. So cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon sin A, cos A प्लस साइन ए माइनस 1 अपॉन साइन ए कर दीजिए. सो व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू गेट, कॉस ए अपॉन साइन ए माइनस साइन ए अपॉन साइन ए प्लस 1 बाई साइन ए, कॉस ए बाई साइन ए प्लस साइन ए अपॉन साइन ए एंड माइनस 1 बाई साइन ए. So we are doing the reverse process. There we were converting to cos sin. Here we are dividing and going back. So what are you going to get now, children? You are going to get cot A minus 1 plus cosec A. And what are you going to get? Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. and now you know the trick. ये आ गया, so the 1 has to be converted. And you know what will be 1? I'll just show you, because you will write like this: 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. So what is 1 going to be? Cosec square a minus cot square a. So what is 1 equal to? Cosec a minus cot a into cosec a plus cot a. This is what we are going to get. Are you getting it? 1 is equal to cosec a minus cot a into cosec a plus cot a. So this working you will show there, इसको आपको दिखाना है, and then you have to use this value of 1. ठीक है, ये वैल्यू आप यूज करेंगे. तो अब मैं क्या यूज करने वाला हूं? cot a plus cosec a, and instead of this cosec a plus cot a into cosec a minus cot a. Are you getting it? Upon cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. So what are you going to get common? Cot a plus cosec a. Okay, cot a plus cosec a is going to come out, and 1 remains here. This entire factor is taken out common, and you will have cosec a minus cot a divided by, what are you going to get? Divided by cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. So now when you will distribute this minus sign, वो फैक्टर वैसे ही बन जाएगा. So see that similar question, it's an example of NCERT and even one in this is an unsolved question. So this is one of the question which is there. So you'll get 1 minus cosec a plus cot a upon cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. See, cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. So this factor gets cancelled, and this is what you have your answer as. Okay, so that is what this question can come as. Okay, so that is what they, and you know this question they can also ask you to prove 1 upon cosec a minus cot a. मतलब इसी को अगर हम देखें, they can also ask you instead of this prove 1 upon, NCERT का solved example यही है. So what you have to do once you come to this stage, now what is the value of 1? अभी मैंने आपको प्रूव किया था 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a into cosec a minus cot a. So now tell me what is the value of cosec a plus cot a? बताओ. 1 upon cosec a minus cot a. तो अगर ये आंसर आ जाता then you can get this down and you will get this answer. So sometimes instead of this they may ask you to prove 1 upon cosec a minus cot a. So even the examiner can ask you to prove this way. So you have to be very thorough and particular कि what exactly the question is, and you have to observe and go accordingly, right? So that is what it is. So now we should go ahead and do one more thing, few more VIPs को आज डील कर लेते हैं. आज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के VIPs आ रहे हैं, तो एक एक VIP का स्वागत है और उनका हम पूरा आदर के साथ सॉल्विंग कर रहे हैं. तो इसको कर लीजिए. अब हम देखते हैं अगले VIP कौन है. ये NCERT के छोटे मोटे VIP है. यहां पर थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई है, tan स्क्वायर a होगा. तो अब देखते हैं कि साइन प्लस स्क्वायर 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 ही चल रहा है, तो इसमें तो सिंपल करो, a plus b का स्क्वायर ओपन कर लेते हैं, है ना. So why think so much? So you'll get sine square a, then you will get cosec square a, and you will get 2 sin a cosec a. And you know cosec is 1 by sin, तो ये अल्टीमेटली 2 हो जाएगा. तो वो 7 का फैक्टर इस तरीके से आएगा. So and कल भी मैंने बताया था a प्लस b का स्क्वायर है, so a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. इसको भूल न जाना भाई, नहीं तो फिर प्रॉब्लम होगी, है ना. So प्लस cos स्क्वायर है प्लस sec स्क्वायर है प्लस 2 cos a sec a प्लस 2 cos a sec a. right? So now we go ahead. So now let us try to club this. ये कितना हो जाएगा बोलो? 1. तो ये तो 1 हो गया. Now आंसर में tan and cot है. So what is 1 plus cot square A? Cosec square A. So instead of cosec square A, 1 plus cot square A. Now what you will write instead of cosec A? 1 by sin A plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. ये भी कट गया, ये भी कट गया जी. तो अब देखते हैं 1 plus 1 2, so another 2 4, another 1 5, another 2 7 plus tan square and plus cot square A. So that is what it is. Sometimes when you don't understand, if you have A plus B ka square, just expand and see, something will come about, right? So that is. Now some students try converting this to 1 by sine. It goes a little difficult because then getting those cot and all will not be easy. And don't try to get anything in denominator. Trigonometry mein denominator should be as small as possible. Think and make this rule, and numerator should be some more difference, and that is how we go about it. This is a very simple question. Basic students should not miss this. Such identities you will find in board exams, right? So this is there, though the previous two were a little difficult, but this is an easy one, right? So let's see, this VIP is gone. Agle VIP kaun hai? Oh, this is a real VIP. इसको तो VVIP लिखना पड़ेगा भाई. दिस इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस की बात ही अलग है. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, सेक और कोसेक दिया है, लेकिन सब कुछ तो tan और cot में है. So here we have two methods. One is we convert to sin and cos, and one we keep it as it is. So I begin with this method. So I go with tan A, and मैं 1 by tan लिख रहा हूं. Now why I am doing this? Because I observe नीचे भी tan है. So at least try to make uniform denominator को, so that you can take LCM easily. अब कुछ students directly LCM लेते हैं फिर करते हैं. You will get, but you will take little time. Then you see what you do. 1 by tan A into 1 minus tan A कर दीजिए. So what is going to come? Tan A upon tan A minus 1 upon tan A minus 1 upon tan A, 1 by tan A into 1 minus tan A आ जाएगा. So this is what you will get once you convert everything to tan. Okay, just I have converted to tan to make this uniform. नहीं तो यहाँ cot होता, वहाँ tan होता, and so on. So I basically brought everything to single term. And don't see this as sec and cosec. It is also 1 by sine and 1 by cos. So that we will see how we go about it. So now you see tan square A upon tan A minus 1 plus 1 by tan A into 1 minus tan A. This is what is going to happen. ठीक है? tan square A upon tan A minus 1, 1 upon tan A into 1 minus tan A. अब देखो everywhere you see tan A, tan A, tan A, तो बहुत लंबा लिखना पड़ता है. Though this what I am going to do is an optional. Let tan A be equal to x. मैं एक छोटा लेटर x ले लेता हूं. तो ये बन गया x square upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x. क्या है ना, हम लोग जब ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से दूर हो जाते हैं ना, एक्स एक्स आते हैं ना, एक्स तो बचपन से देखता आ रहे हैं. सो इट बिकम्स इजी फॉर अस व्हेन यू सी दोस एक्स. टैन कॉट कई बार ना ये बड़े जिटर्स देते हैं कि क्या आ गया, टीटे फीटे है ना. सो नाउ यू सी दिस इज x minus 1 and this is 1 minus x. So can we do it like this? I am taking minus common, so it will become x minus 1. Are you getting it? So it will become x minus 1. So let's take the LCM now. X minus 1 into x. So divide it. What is left? X. So actually इससे multiply क्या होगा? X. X cube डिवाइड इट 1 आता है तो ओनली 1 विल गेट मल्टीप्लाइड। कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं, इसको पूरा इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, इधर कर देंगे, unnecessary making your calculation difficult. So you see the LCM is x minus 1 into x. So when you divide it, x आएगा, that is how. Now a cube minus b cube. Why a cube minus b cube? Please notice x cube minus 1 cube. So what is a cube minus b cube? It is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So what are you going to get? X minus 1 into x square plus 1 plus x upon x minus 1 into x, and this gets cancelled. So now we can separate, अलग अलग कर देते हैं. So x square upon x upon x upon x. So what are you going to get? Let's see what are you going to get. I've separated it upon x, so I'm going to get x, fine, 1 by x, again fine, and 1. So now let us see what is x. Tan a plus 1 by tan a plus 1. So first I'll tell you, this question usually comes in this form. Prove karo, tan a plus cot a plus 1. But now they have converted this to what? Sine and cos. So they have converted this to sine and cos. So we will go ahead and do the same because answer उसमें आना है. So sine a by cos a plus cos a by sine a and plus 1. So LCM क्या होगा? Sine a cos a. Very good. So what are we going to get? Cos से cos डिवाइड हुआ, यहाँ sin मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो sin स्क्वायर है. sin स्क्वायर है क्यों आया बच्चों? cos से sin है, LCM हो गया cos है, डिवाइड बाई cos है तो क्या होगा? sin है तो sin स्क्वायर है. अब sin है से डिवाइड करो, ये कट जाएगा cos है, so that is plus cos स्क्वायर है plus sin है cos a. I've got less space. Let me see if this comes. Okay. Okay. So that is it. So what are you going to get? 1. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Just a minute. I'll take the pen. So what is this 1 plus? वहां क्या बचा था? LCM से sin a cos a upon sin a cos a. Right? And when you will divide, you will get what? 1 upon sin a cos a plus sin a cos a upon sin a cos a, which gets cancelled. Now what is 1 by sin cosec? 1 by sec cos sec a. So 1 plus sec a cosec a. The space is left. So what you can do after here, children? Come here. 1 by sin, so you'll get sec a cosec a, and यहाँ पे तो plus 1 आ ही चुका है. ठीक है. So what we did after this, we converted sin by cos, cos by sin, and 1. So we took the LCM. So sin square a came here, cos square a came here, and cos a sin a. So this becomes 1 plus sin a cos a divided by sin a cos a. So separate it and you will get. So but if the question comes only to prove till here, then it's a little easy and you don't have to go anywhere ahead. But if it is in sine and cos which this have come, we also have an alternative way. So I'll discuss that also. So just go through it, and this is an important question. You cannot ignore it. इस question को आपको ignore नहीं करना, at any cost करना है. So tan a upon 1 minus cot a and cot a upon 1 minus tan a. So that is what it is. तो आप इसको pause करके फिर से भी देख सकते हैं when you want and try it. Okay. So the question is this. So tan a upon 1 minus cot a plus cot a upon cot a or 1 minus tan a है ना. So equal to हमको prove करना था. Now let's try going by sin and cos. So this will become sin a by cos a, okay, and 1 minus cos a by sin a. If we convert to what? Sin and cos. So you'll have cos a by sin a, and you will have 1 minus sin a upon cos A. So this is just conversion. We haven't done anything else. We have just converted to sin and cos. So the next step is once you convert this, आपने इसको convert कर लिया. अब आपको क्या करना है? LCM लेना है. तो sin square A plus cos square A. ठीक है जी. Upon sin A cos A. Very good. Oh, sorry. I have to just let me erase it. This is not what is going to happen. Eraser. Okay, we are going to go ahead, and what is going to happen is, first let me make this all right. Sin A by cos A, and sin A minus cos A upon sin A, and the plus in between, cos A by sin A upon cos A minus sin A upon cos A. Okay, so that is what we are going to get. So now what is going to happen? Is there anything else? So let's see what is the final thing we are going to get. So sin by cos, cos by sin. So this sin will go up. It will become sin square A. बच्चों समझ में आया? A by B, C by D. So this sin A goes up, and what you will have in the denominator? Cos A into sin A minus cos A. Right. Then this cos goes up like the same way. So it will be cos square A upon sin A into cos A minus sin A. Okay, this is what you are going to get. Now same as previous one. यहाँ पे sin A minus cos A, यहाँ पे cos square. So what you do is, see sin square A, just have a look. इसको मैं as it is रख रहा हूँ. I'm not even changing this. I'm changing the other part, cos A. So minus. अब ये minus क्यों आया सोचो? क्योंकि आपने यहां से माइनस कॉमन ले लेना है. क्यों ले लेना है? So that कि ये सेम हो जाए. ठीक है. So what is going to become same? ये. So what are you going to get? LCM क्या होगा? Cos A. Very good. Sin A. Very good. And sin A minus cos A. So when you will take LCM, this will become cos A into this. So this factor is common, तो सेम ही आ गया, और cos A sin A. अब हम इसको डिवाइड करते हैं, तो क्या बचा? sin A मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So you will get sin cube A. And when you divide this, what you are going to get? What are you going to get? Just a line has come. Okay. So when you divide this, you will get cos. So minus cos cube A. And we just did the formula for A cube plus B cube. Here, I think A cube minus B cube भी था. So again, A cube minus B cube. क्या होता है A cube minus B cube? A minus B into, what are you going to get? A squared plus B squared plus AB. So let us go ahead. Sin A minus cos A. Okay, A minus B. A squared plus B squared plus 1 upon sin A cos A into sin A minus cos A. Plus AB, sorry, plus AB. So there is a slight this. Okay, so this will be plus sin A cos A. Okay, so one नहीं आएगा. A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB. So this was A and this was B. A minus B, A squared plus B squared plus AB. And what are you getting? Sin A cos A. And just a minute. And we will have here sin A minus cos A. देख लो. So this factor, sin A cos A, sin A minus cos A. This factor gets cancelled, and what are we left with? 1 plus sin A cos A upon sin A cos A. So this was relatively easy for us because the answer was in that form. Now had it been in the form 1 plus tan A plus cot A, then you would have struggled using this method. तो अगर RHS में tan और cot में आता है, use that, and sin cos में आता है, use this. So now let us separate sin A cos A. इसको अलग कर दो. अरे भाई इधर देखो, sin A cos A upon sin A cos A. Okay, and just a minute. Okay, so what is 1 by sine? Again cosec. So cosec A sec A and plus 1. Sin A cos A कट जाएगा. So this A will get cancelled. Okay. So that is what it is. So that is what we will get. Cosec A sec A plus 1. So this was using sin and cos. But keep in mind RHS. If RHS is 1 plus this, use this method. But if RHS is tan and cot, then use the previous method. Right? So these were few questions which I took up today. Okay, na? So that is what it is. And let me see if any VIP question is left, because then one more category is left where you have to simplify both LHS and RHS. So we have completed the part 2. Now in third part of identities, I'll take up those questions in which we have to take up LHS and solve it till one place, and RHS and solve it till one place. So till then, enjoy. बोलोगे सर एंजॉय क्या करें, आप भी ना, मैथ्स में कहाँ एंजॉयमेंट आता है. अरे मैंने बोला ना, म्यूजिक सुनो, माहौल बनाओ, create ambience, you will start loving it. So happy learning. Till we meet for the next lecture, enjoy maths. Bye.